Ito, tulingan.
Sapsap.
Ah, sapsap.
Ito po ang tulingan.
Tulingan.
Abu.
Ha?
Abu.
Abu. Ano naman to?
Ito po edoy.
Edoy. Sapsap. Tulingan.
Ito po ang tulingan, sir.
Ay, tulingan. Tulingan. Ano to? Ano to? Galunggong.
Galunggong. Hasa-hasa.
Hasa-hasa.
Tamban. Tamban.
Tamban.
Tamban pa rin po yan.
Tamban pa rin. Tamban. Tamban. Ano to?
Edoy.
Edoy. Ano to?
Lapes po.
Lapes?
Oh, lapes.
Ay, dami.
Opo, nandito po
Okay,
nakatagilap po,
so
sir.
nandito ako dito sa...
Halaga 300 lang po natin.
Dali, ang dami ng
Yun
isda.
lang,
Fresh,
oh, yun lang
fresh,
po.
fresh fish. Fresh
May
fish.
dito 1 kilo.
Okay, magkano yan? Magkano ito?
240 po. Ito po
Ay,
isang
see.
daan lang.
Isang daan.
Oo.
Okay. Galunggong, oh. Diba? Galunggong?
Hasa-hasa po.
Ah, hasa-hasa.
Yun po ang
Ay, galunggong. Paano malalaman? Ah, ito merong may parang tinik doon, may parang tinik, hasa-hasa, galunggong. Okay. Alright, this is the beauty of walking. So I'm heading off to Ermita Hill. It's about an hour and a half from here instead of riding a tricycle or going through Sabang, which I can take a boat and just do it quickly. I'd rather go and walk as long as it's not raining. And this is the thing. So see, there's a road construction, but interestingly, so they're using bamboo instead of metal, which is neat, isn't it? So I gotta give my brownie. Yeah, so look at that. So it's amazing, right? So using what you have and making the most out of it. So I'm right here in Bala, which is in the province of Aurora. It's fascinating today. Right, has been there was a rain last night, which was pretty good because it makes the temperature is a bit down. So this is, I think, this is a rice paddy. So this could be a rice field, and here you see the beautiful mountains. So I'm heading off to Ermita Hill, a historic site according to the information I have. And I believe there is also a falls that is it's about not a stone throw away, but it's quite a walk. I'll check that out. And here it is. There's a road construction, so they're using bamboo instead of metal. All right, moving on. Sarap talagang tumira sa probinsya. It is awesome to live in the province. Here you have this is a stream. It's called Batis, and you see people watching. And fresh water. Naglalabas sila sa kabatisan. Alright. And then may naliligo. I'm on the bridge. So there you go. Here's the bridge. So nandito ako sa tulay. Maganda yung tulay. Beautiful bridge here in Nabale. Na I'm trying to get to the Ermita Hill. So ito ang kagandahan ng paglalakad is the beauty of walking instead of riding a tricycle or any form of transportation. I see a lot, as in a lot, napakadaming makikita. So here an example. So this is a stream or a body. The water is fresh and I don't see any rubbish, not much, and people are walking lately, right? And yeah, it's simple living, simpleng buhay sa probinsya. Alright, so I'm right here in Baler, the capital city of the province of Aurora. So here in the northeastern part of Luzon, more in the eastern part. So nandito ako sa Baler in Aurora, sa probinsya ng Aurora, sa Luzon. Naglalakad ako papuntang Ermita Hill, which is according to Google Map. Sabi ng Google Map, it's about 14 minutes from here or even less. I've been walking for about an hour now. Naglalakad ako sa may isang oras and it's nice weather. Umulan kagabi. There was a rain last night and there is no rain at this time and the cloud is pretty clear and blue. Alright, so this is on the bridge and I saw a river. Love it. I think on my way back, I will go down the stream. Sa pagbalik ko, ay bababa ako dun sa Batis. Look at that. There you go. Here is the bridge. Here was a road construction. And it's an amazing day. Once again, So I'm right here in Baler. So ulitin, nandito ako sa Baler, sa capital city of Aurora. Alright, so I'm going to Ermita Hill. Pupunta ako sa Ermita Hill, and pag ma-oras pa, I will go to Dinadiawan. If there's time, I might be able to go to Dinadiawan, which is about 2 hours. Then I have to ride on a bus. Alright, bye for now. Once again, traveling is now arriving to your destination. It is looking at the world in a different perspective. Keep a smile, and the world will smile at you. Cheers! Be safe, bye, and God bless. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Diyos mula dito sa Baler, sa Aurora. I'm just walking. Alright, here we go. Question. So this is another thing. So I'm walking and I saw this is where the first several Filipinos joined the cedula during the Spaniard colonization here in the Philippines. According to this tablet, this is this place where the revolutionaries, the Filipino revolutionaries against the Spaniards. So they joined document, and that started the revolution of the Filipino against the Spaniards. Philippines was conquered by the Spaniards for 330 years. They were here in 16th century. And this is in Baler in Aurora, and this very historic. It says right here is the National Historical Institute, and this states here that this is the spot where document that symbolized the revolution of the Filipinos against the Spaniards back in the Spanish era here in the Philippines. Alright, I'm right here in the store. I need something to drink. I got a Mountain Dew.